if no funds.
Don't work for love, come on now, it. Love me my darkness, please. Blicky, never hear. Team got a whole lot of money. New Philippines, a whole lot of hundreds. Backing on my players, get a whole lot of.
Every gun and every real killer macho. Me live a petrified. Every my baby boy, watch him, mama. You can't talk about me.
If I heard them want me, I laugh and I plant up a gun. How bad from my band?
Dead, them can't go fire back. Me get anything you want, money me wire that. Send me got a tire shop, but I get a tire that.
Shots.
Oh, you dealing with the boss?
Yeah. That never take a loss. Yeah. Like a ball pump up the pussy fast.
Yeah, boy, don't get no sleep. No watching it, no watching blogs. I want them say about me. The motor there, them in a joke, me still a tap out clean. Like in alone, me do.
Talking bricks, I get rid of weight, call me Ice Spice. 10 carat ring, fight night, 10 shots, body full of hoes, tell them night.
I've no things we give thanks for. So me a pray and I boot like altar. Give your praise every second on.
Them ramp with the master plan, we board them, not show them no mercy. Me no up Thomas Prime, we kill them bare face, we no way no this sky. Rally miggle here, bust them head in front eyes.
When me dey on stage, you know me done. I may step on the bleacher, you know, and I deal with him wicked, you know. And so me I say, cause first thing, when me go up on stage, them turn on my mic. Nothing call me up on stage 15 minutes before me even let nowhere near the stage. Because the things that the whole of them plan. In plan, so I go call me up on stage and then I go, come me there, we out so, and you know it's a sting ram. So I go take a time for walk out. So the crowd stays now and kick back and I wonder, how go on, how the man no walk out, how long. See? Me stay so I may step on the bleacher and I deal with him wicked. Me hear the bleacher get 5 consecutive boos behind one another. When him come with the mother thing, you know, he might get boo long before that, you know. When him come with the mother thing, you know, I get the bigger boo now, you know. And when me step on him, you know, and him turn either and stay so, you know, and leave know what to do, you know. I go stop and walk, you know. When I come off a stage, you know, I walk and go stand up behind everybody, because I know him I go say me run. Because I act him a act. You come do interview and say you win some and you lose some. You have to admit say you're dead now your town. Left when me dep on, you know. I fly in the sky, you know, and when I go start looking, I see them now going at this God, you know. About them now want to know God I'm dating, you know. And I try to corrupt the youth them mind. And I just say, hold on there. International level, give me a minute. I'm just step where and go stop and come deal with it.
Fact is that Vybz Kartel win the clash because Mavado run off stage after I get boo about 4 consecutive times, after running out of lyrics, after bringing his own bands and eventually leaving with his bands. You know what I mean, not giving Vybz Kartel a chance to respond. So I was the last man standing, so everybody can see that Teacher is the original winner of the clash.
So are you disappointed then that a few papers and a few articles have said that it's a draw?
No, I'm not disappointed, no, because in the initial stages, you know, a few media people, especially in the print media, were of them own ulterior motive was trying to say that Mavado win the clash. That was before the majority of people got the CD and DVD. Because I know we're living in modern times, you know. It's not like one time in the 70s, you know. So everybody have access to DVD and CD now. So, but before that, in the initial stages, a few print media was trying to bias the thing. You know what I mean? But we're pleased with the overall outcome from the streets, not necessarily from the media.
There are rumors that there might be a rematch. Would you be interested in a rematch?
Right now, you see me I say, but we change the terms because as I said before, the rule was that no entourage on stage. So Vybz Kartel step up alone while my father bring like 3 million people. People even in his entourage are telling him if he DJ.
You would do a rematch?
Right now. Right now as we're speaking with this microphone. This time I guess we need like a cage with a big padlock on it. Maybe in another sport or another field of entertainment, maybe in running, somebody could have said, yeah, my father win the clash.
One thing. I don't want nobody wait for my birthday. Every day I'm looking at everybody's face. Every day. I want to love me every day. No wait for the bumper class birthday.
Some people are work with crowd. It's like coming there, so no crowd not there. Yeah. I'm just going to say, I go and deal the same way. Yeah, some people are trying like, it's a crowd up thing. If I something negative, you will see the crowd. I want something positive, I want to make a chop out and make a clear up the field.
Make the music. Don't stop making music. Don't think that you're gonna hold off, because let me explain something to you. Creativity is not coming out of you. Creativity is like the work of the universe. The universe, that's why they call them universities. The universe is a library. I was just telling somebody this yesterday. All we doing is checking ideas out. We can pretend that we being possessive, it was here before us, it's gonna be here after us. We just checking ideas out, right? And what you would have checked out on one day might not be what you would check out on the next day. So don't not make the music. When you got a library card that works, you use that card every day.